everybody, welcome back to Kelly Barlow Creations Crafting on a Budget. Today's video, I am bringing to you a Dollar Tree DIY using these amazing new frames that the Dollar Tree is carrying. I absolutely love these, and there are endless possibilities when it comes to DIYs using these. So today I am going to be showing you some wall decor art using 4 of these frames. If you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you'd like to follow me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Let's jump into this DIY and let me show you how stinking easy this is and the amazing outcome you get from using these cool frames from the Dollar Tree. I picked up 4 of these framed wall decor pieces from the Dollar Tree. I'll also be using these stickers that you can find at Walmart for $2.98 for a pack of 71 stickers. Not bad. I'll also be using this white wired ribbon that I picked up from Costco, 50 yards for $7.99, and I've had this spool for 4 years. I'll also be using 4 sheets of scrapbooking paper from this pad that I picked up from Joann's a while ago. Joann's has open stock of scrapbooking paper that you can get 4 for $1 when they're on sale. I'm going to start off by taking this straight edge razor and I'm going to scrape off the lettering real carefully. It comes off pretty easily because it was just painted on, and I'm going to do this to all 4 of the frames. Then taking some Windex, I'm going to clean the glass real good with the Windex. After I've sprayed the glass with the Windex, I'm going to take a razor and I'm going to go over the glass again while the Windex is on the glass, because it just kind of helps get any extra paint off and clean the glass just a bit better. Using this Midnight Chic scrapbooking pad, this is a pad that I've had on hand for a bit. It has a lot of the black and white and gray scrapbooking papers in it. And so I picked out 2 coordinating patterns that I liked, 4 pieces total, that I will be cutting into 7 by 7 inch pieces. And that'll be 4 pieces at those measurements. These are the 2 coordinating prints that I'll be using for this project, and I did cut 2 of each print at the measurement of 7 by 7 to fit inside of the frames. Now taking these sticker letters that I picked up from Walmart, I'm going to take and place 1 letter in the center of each frame on the glass until I've spelled out the word hope. What's great about this project is you can put a name here. You can put just about anything you want using as many frames as you'd like, and this is going to make an amazing piece of wall decor. Once I've gotten all the letters placed on the glass, I'm going to flip my frames over, and taking the 7 by 7 inch pieces of scrapbooking paper that I cut, I'm going to place them face down in the back of the frame, and using my hot glue gun, I'm going to hot glue it to the sides of the frame. Now taking the white wired ribbon, I'm going to take and cut 8 9-inch pieces of wired ribbon. I'm going to hot glue these 9-inch pieces of wired ribbon to the back side of this frame, kind of at an angle like so. Then here at the top, I'm going to hot glue the tops of them together, leaving me with this. And I figured I'd finish each of these frames off with a nice bow at the top, giving it a nice finished look. And you got to finish your bow off with tapering in the bottom edges of your bow. And there you have it. This turned out stinking amazing. I absolutely love the way this turned out. It is so quick and easy to do, and the outcome is amazing. It would make for the perfect focal point on any wall in any room of your house.
Make sure to head on over to Allie's channel this week to see what sticky mess she's gotten her hands into, and Kayla's channel where you can see her taking on an intense workout. Links, as always, are in the description box below.
Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this easy to do Dollar Tree wall art. This DIY is so versatile because all you have to do is switch it up by spray painting it. You can use this in a baby's nursery by putting the baby's name on it. There are endless possibilities when using these frames. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 1,500 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.